Now, Wiha is known for precision, quality, safety, durability, and all those things can be found in the Wiha TorqueVario system. But you know what we're also known for? Solutions, like the Go Box, the Speedy 2, and of course our Cordura pouch, which you've probably seen recently. Now, every hardworking person knows that it's not all work. You know, you work so you can live a good life. And part of living a good life is eating well. Now, whether you're on the clock or off the clock, Wiha helps you save time so you can get back to eating or get back to dinner with your family. I don't know. What does this have to do with precision and quality? Well, let me tell you. When the day is done and you really want to go home to a home-cooked meal with your loved ones, the only way you can afford that is by doing great work. And the only way you can do great work is by throwing this thing out. That's why we're proud to introduce the Wiha ForkVario. Now, my favorite thing about the Wiha ForkVario, it's interchangeable. Whether you're eating a full meal or just need a snack, the Wiha ForkVario system helps you eat more reliably. At the end of the day, food is the spice of life. And Wiha would love to be part of that. So, when you hear that click, you know it's time to stop eating and get back to work. We're offering the Wiha ForkVario in a 12-piece set, which includes the larger handle, smaller handle, 2 fork attachments, the fork adjuster tool, and a set of random bits that you probably won't use. But if you need to, you can disassemble your whole refrigerator with them. Check out the Wiha ForkVario system only at wihatools.com or wherever Wiha kitchen tools are sold. Anyway, hope you keep up the great work. Fork around and find out.